back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at some Air Jordan 1 lows in the black, gray, and pink colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Hit that notification box. We do have a ton of heat coming up that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for all of our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. Today, we're going to be talking about a sneaker that I actually picked up randomly on the Nike site. And these are the Air Jordan 1 lows in the pink, gray, and black color scheme, which I think is just a great color combination. So we'll talk about the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled this color scheme, which I think is going to be great for the summer. Then we'll conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it, starting with the front of the toe box. We've got white crisp leather on the front. There is a nice heather gray. Working up to the laces, we've got black laces and a black nylon tongue. I really love the bleached coral color scheme that they've accented the Jumpman with. It's embroidered nicely on the nylon, and on the eyelets we've got that tumbled leather and the heather gray color combination. Let's take a look at those details, then move along to the side paneling. All right, so working our way to the side panels, we've got more of this gray, as well as underlays of the tumbled black leather, which works its way back to the heel. The swooshes are in that nice pop of coral pink, which I think complements the black color and the gray quite nicely. As we work our way to the back, we've got the Air Jordan Wings logo that's stitched in black, and I think that pops quite nicely off of the lighter gray shade. Wrapping around to the other side of the sneaker, we've got, again, underlays of that black leather and more of the gray, which goes onto the upper, and then that beautiful just coral pink on the swoosh mark. The insoles are in the coral pink colorway, and the Jumpman is in a charcoal gray color scheme, and then the sneaker is completed with this really cool coral pink stitching that you can see that works its way around the entirety of the sneaker. I think it's just a nice little accent to not overpower the coral pink, but just complements that white midsole nicely. And then the sneaker is finished off with a black outsole. Let's take a look at all of those last and final details. Now let's jump into size and fit. So I am a 7.5 in men's. I would say stick true to size on the Air Jordan 1 lows if you do have similar feet like myself, which are high and narrow. If you do have flatter, wider feet, that could differentiate a size that may work different for you. All right, so now let's talk about styling. Again, just a really cool color combination. I think one of my favorite color combos growing up was just honestly this color scheme, either black and pink or gray and pink, either or. I love the three together as well, but I definitely wanted to bring some pinks into the mix with my three different looks. So for the first look, I decided to wear this really cool abstract kind of 50-50 button down tee, and that was in a nice floral print and abstract print with some nice pink color combinations. And then for the second portion of that look, I wore a pink tee with matching pink shorts, which I think complemented the coral pink in this quite nicely. For the second look, I wore a really just nice kind of ribbed tight fitted dress in yellow, and it had some pinks on there as well. I layered that with a black denim jacket, which I think obviously that color combination with the black and the yellows and the pinks on top of that dress really just worked quite nicely with the color combination in the sneaker. For the last and final look, I wore a pink abstract dress, and I think just different colors of pink combinations will work great with this. And you can also go opposite of that and just stick to just all black or all gray, which also would be great looks as well. So you let me know down below, what was your favorite look of the three, or how would you style these? How these are currently doing on the resale market. So these retailed at $110, and they are currently going between $110 to $130. All right, everyone, that's it for this unboxing and review. If you're new and joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We'll catch you all next episode.